Hello guys, Ramen Teddy here. Today we are going to make Korean street style Shin Ramen. Shin Ramen is Korea's representative ramen with spicy beef soup base. A lot of restaurant and eating aisle in South Korean street use this recipe. If you want to enjoy Shin Ramen's original taste, please cook like this. We need just green onions, and bell peppers. Bell peppers are just for color. If you don't have them, you don't need to use them. Egg. That's it. Just you need egg, green onions, and Shin Ramen. And sometimes simplicity is better. Please cut green onions in small pieces. And bell peppers. Bell peppers are beautiful to see. Veggies are ready. Then mix yolk and egg white. Yeah, all the ingredients are ready. Please add 2 cups of water. This amount of water is less than manufacturer's recommended amount of water, but I like this way because noodles get tasty and salty this way. And please add soup base and dry veggies from package. When water is boiling, add ramen noodle first. I usually cook ramen noodle first. I don't like overcooked noodle. I usually uh, take noodle out and then cook other veggies. And please take out noodle. Then add egg. Just leave it there. Don't mix it. Now you can mix a little bit. Then add vegetables. Looks great. Plating time. Egg, green onions, bell peppers don't change its original taste. They are more like garnish. A lot of restaurants in South Korea use this recipe to serve customers. Shin Ramen has Korean traditional spicy beef soup taste. Sometimes I want to eat Shin Ramen this way because I used to eat like this during my high school uh, and my college when I was in South Korea. Uh, I have a lot of memories with this ramen. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye.